All right, today, friends, we are going to be painting our flowers. We want to make these kind of like a purple color. So today what we're going to do is mix blue and red to make purple. We are going to use a turquoise version of blue and then a magenta version of the red, just because those two, when they mix together, typically make a very light, beautiful, best version of the purple. You're going to get a paintbrush and water. I want you to remember we hold the paintbrush by the gripper and you want to have ballerina toes. In order to get these paints to work, you need to add a little water with your brush. Notice how my bristles are still pretty close together. I'm not pushing hard. We're going to do one petal at a time. So I'm going to outline my petal. I'm going to go around it. Get a little water if it looks dry to help spread that paint. If it looks too light, go back in with water and paint in your paint palette. And before that petal dries, we're going to clean our brush, get the magenta, and we're going to mix a little bit of that magenta in before that blue dries. You can also get more water to spread it out. Okay, so now we're going to do the next one. It's up to you. Maybe you want to start with the magenta this time. So I'm going to go in. Ooh. That looks great, friends. Spread that out. Mix a little bit of my blue in there so I can make some purple. So I'm now going to keep going around each petal one at a time. Why do you think I don't want to paint the whole thing at once? What's going to happen with my paints when I try to mix them or combine them? Great, friends. Yeah, so what happens if you do the whole thing at once versus one petal at a time is that first color is going to dry on you before you can go in with that second color. So notice how fast I'm alternating between the two colors. Notice I'm cleaning my brush between colors. And we're going to go throughout the whole flower, one petal at a time, until the whole thing is painted. Now we're going to do the middle of our flower, and what we're going to do is go right on top of that crayon we did before. I'm just going to go in with either the blue or magenta or both. Now, if I can't see the crayon very well, just add a little water to help spread it out. All right, friends, that's looking great.